So this is my 3x3, and this is my 4x4, and I did something pretty weird with another cube, and it looks like that. Now, this cube looks like a 3x3, as you can see, except it has 4x4 corners, which is why they look small, and I can just easily wobble them out, so it's kind of weird. It's a really funky looking cube, and the corners stick out, which I think looks kind of cool. And then here's my 4x4, which sadly doesn't have its corners. So I'd be pretty happy with anything under 30 seconds because of how wobbly these corner pieces are. Like if I were to turn here, right, it's like the key, it's just so loose, it doesn't feel stable. It's not comfortable turning that way. If I get a solve under 30 seconds, I'm gonna be happy with that. Probably not gonna happen. We'll see. Being really careful here. Okay, and then what? This is so weird. And then this piece. And it's so wobbly. Okay. Great. The worst OLL. One of the worst. And Y-perm. You hear how snappy these pieces are? It's ridiculous. Okay. And done. Alright. Well, I got it solved. That was way more than 30 seconds. I don't know what I was thinking. There's no way I could solve that in under 30 seconds. Yeah. Well, I'll let you know what cubes I used in the description for how I made this. It's pretty simple. I just took off the pieces, then I placed in the corners where the corners go. But I don't know if this works for every cube size, so check that out if you're interested. And thanks for watching.